Ever wonder why you should grow your own broccoli? Well, let's delve into this exciting journey. Broccoli, often dubbed as a superfood, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, not to mention a good source of dietary fiber. It's also a rich source of potassium, folic acid, and iron. But these nutritious benefits are not the only reasons to grow your own broccoli. Growing your own broccoli not only ensures you're getting the freshest produce, but it can also save you a significant amount of money in the long run. By growing your own, you're taking control of what goes into your food, from seedling to harvest. And let's not forget the sheer joy and satisfaction derived from watching your garden thrive. So, with all these benefits, why not give it a try? To start, you'll need broccoli seeds and a suitable container. The container should be at least 4 to 6 inches deep and have drainage holes at the bottom. This depth allows the roots to grow freely, while the holes ensure excess water can escape, preventing root rot. Next, let's talk about the soil. A potting soil specifically designed for seedlings works best. It provides the right balance of nutrients needed for the seeds to sprout and grow. If you're feeling adventurous, you can create your own soil mix. Once you've prepared your container and soil, it's time to plant. Moisten the soil, then sprinkle your seeds evenly across the surface. Be careful not to overlap the seeds, as this can hinder their growth. Lightly cover the seeds with soil and press down gently to ensure the seeds make contact with the moist soil. Remember, keep the soil moist and place the pot in a sunny location for best germination. This sets your broccoli seeds on the right path to becoming healthy, delicious vegetables. After you've planted your seeds, it's time to nurture them into seedlings. To ensure the best start for your broccoli, place your seed containers in an area that receives 6 to 7 hours of sunlight daily. This exposure to light is crucial for germination. Remember to keep the soil evenly moist, especially during the first 12 to 15 days. You can check the soil moisture by feeling just under the surface with your fingers. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Now, let's talk about germination. Growing broccoli from seed is fairly quick, with seedlings typically beginning to emerge within 5 to 10 days. However, remember that the progress may vary, so don't be alarmed if your seedlings take a little longer. With consistent care, your seedlings should be ready to transplant in about a month. So keep up the good work, and soon you'll have your own homegrown broccoli to enjoy. Once your seedlings are 5 to 7 inches tall, they're ready to be transplanted. To avoid damaging their delicate roots, gently tease the seedlings out using a gardening tool or a stick. When selecting a container, go big. A 22-inch diameter pot can comfortably accommodate 4 broccoli seedlings. Dig holes 4 to 6 inches deep and plant them deeper. This helps broccoli plants grow better as they form roots along any buried portion of the stem. Remember, broccoli plants are heavy feeders and need their space. Maintain a gap of 8 to 10 inches between 2 plants to ensure healthy growth. After transplanting, it's crucial to keep the soil moist. A thorough watering will do the trick. And don't forget the sunlight. Broccoli plants need plenty of it. Lack of sunlight may result in thin, laggy plants and subpar heads. After transplanting, keep the soil moist and give your plants plenty of sunlight to ensure healthy growth. Now that your broccoli plants are growing, it's time to maintain them for a successful harvest. Let's start with the leaves. As the plants grow bigger, you'll want to remove the bottom leaves. This encourages the plant to direct its energy towards the upper part where the broccoli heads will form. Next, let's tackle the weeds. If you spot any unwanted plants in your containers, remove them as soon as possible. You can pull them up carefully or use a gardening tool to loosen the roots. It's crucial to remove all the roots and never let the weeds go to seed, or you may have a bigger issue on your hands. Now, on to fertilizing your broccoli plants. This should be done every 18 to 20 days using an organic fertilizer. This will provide your plants with the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. With regular care and maintenance, you'll be enjoying your homegrown broccoli in no time.